So today we are at Bothwell, Blantyre and Uddingston Local Nature Reserve, which is a lovely stretch of deciduous woodland with the River Clyde running through it. The LNR is one of 17 in South Lanarkshire, and this particular local nature reserve is famous for its woodland, its bird life, its social history as well. We've got Bothwell Castle just right on the doorstep of the site.
South Lanarkshire Council Countryside and Green Space are involved in a project called Get Outdoors, which is in partnership with Voluntary Action South Lanarkshire. They're working with the communities around our local nature reserves and encouraging local residents to enjoy a walk or spend a little bit of time connecting to nature.
We run events here all year round, so that could be a night walk looking for bats, it could be wellbeing walks or health walks, and also general wildlife exploration events to look at the wealth of bird life, animal life and plant life that's here in the LNR.
The project has also supported the delivery of family play sessions to encourage local people to be frequent visitors to the site and to continue to make use of it into the future. The project has also facilitated storytelling sessions for families interested in local heritage and the magical tales associated with the colourful history of the area.
So we know that getting outdoors in general is great for your health and well-being, and Blantyre, Bothwell and Uddingston Local Nature Reserve is a great place to do that, going for walks and just generally immersing yourself in nature.